Now, let's talk about how to keep our scene organized. As you can see, I set up a simple scene here with 3 chairs, a table, and a lamp. So, let's pick them all up and move them. So, if you want to move our objects as a set during the level, we may have to click on every single one by shift clicking them one by one or move them independently, which is time consuming and inefficient. What you would like to do instead is shift click all of them and press Ctrl G, group them. Now they're a group of actors, so they are moved as one and are selected as one. You can Shift G to ungroup them and Ctrl G to group them. You can right click, go to groups, ungroup, or right click and click group. Same thing. You can also do it from Outliner from the right side here. As you can see, we have a group actor tab here, which is this. Now, before we move on, there's a tip I would like to give you. If you want to move a single object out of all other objects, but you don't want to ungroup them all and group them back together, which may be time consuming when you have maybe like 40 meshes in a single group, what you can do is you can click on these settings on top, go to Allow Group Selection, click on it, and now group selection is disabled. This is still a group of actors, but now you can select them individually. So now, let's say I want to move it closer, and this one as well. And now I can go to settings and click Allow Group Selection. And now I can select them again as a group. This is quite efficient when you have a lot of meshes in the scene which are grouped together and you don't want to ungroup them and group them back together. And now we can easily move it anywhere we want. The scene, let's keep it simple here. Now, another way we can organize our actors is by folders. The Unreal scene of this level has default folders already, but the actors we added are not added to a folder. So let's create a folder. You can create a folder by clicking on this folder with a plus icon on the top right. Click it, and if you have the object selected, it gets automatically added to the folder. Let's rename this to, let's say, furniture. And let's add this couch in here as well. What we can do is, we can make this bigger to easier to see. We have this folder here. We can just drag this to the folder. Now our furniture is grouped together with the others. But this furniture is not part of the grouped actor. It's a separate actor in the same folder. So do not mix up grouping actors with just having the same actors in the same folder. They're different things. If you want, you can create subfolders by doing this. So let's say set 1, and let's put our grouped actor into set 1. Another little task, let's do some cleanup. Take your previously created scenes and organize them. Create folders, create groups if it makes sense to have them grouped, and just make sure you have an easy, clean scene which can be easily navigated through Outliner. After you are done, move on to the next lecture.